Hello! Today, I'll show you how to translate any document in Word. As you can see, I have a document written in English. Let's presume you need the document in a foreign language, but with exactly the same structure and formatting. Fortunately, Word includes a built-in translation capability using Microsoft Translator. To access it, go to the Review ribbon at the top of the menu. From there, click on Translate. You have two options: to translate a single section from your Word file, or to translate the entire document. To translate a single section, click on Translate Selection. On the right side, you'll see two empty fields. Select the text you need to translate. Scroll down. In the field below, you'll see the translated text. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the language you need for the translation. The text is translated in real time, no matter which language you choose. For this tutorial, we will choose French. The text is automatically translated. Once here, go to the bottom and click on Insert. That's it. The selected text has been translated into French. Now, let's close the translation menu and undo everything. I'll show you how to translate the entire document in Word in a matter of seconds. The file structure and formatting of the Word document will remain the same. Go to the top menu, click on Review, then go to Translate. This time, make sure you select the Translate Document option. From the right side, choose the language you need the file translated into. You can also choose to always translate into the same language if you need it in the future. I'll uncheck this option for this tutorial. Once you've finished your setup, click on Translate. In a matter of seconds, the entire document will be translated. Scroll down to check if everything looks fine and the formatting remains the same. As you can see, a new copy of the file has been generated, and the source file is untouched. Go back to the translated file, then click on the Save File option at the top left corner. Choose the location where you want to save the translated file and rename it. Once done, click Save. That's it. As you can see, the translated Word file is now saved on the computer. In just a few seconds, you can translate any Word file. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.